Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house on 2 levels with spectacular sea and coastal views. This brand new house is located in Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, primarily a villa community. The northern facing views are best experienced from the balconies of the primary bedroom, living room, and one of the other secondary bedrooms. These are on the upper floor, which houses, in addition to these, the kitchen, living, dining, laundry, and 2 other bedrooms. Downstairs houses a 1 bedroom self contained flat, which is currently tenanted, thereby providing an income earning potential. The double car garage is easily accessible from this flat and is also connected to upstairs from an internal staircase. The land area of this house is approximately 32,670 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $525,000 or Jamaican $80.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.